and I'm going to do a little DM haul. If you don't live in Germany or you've never been to Germany, you probably don't know this store. Does it? It exists in Austria too, but it's the best drugstore they have. It's so much fun to shop there, so I'm always excited when I have to buy something. Let's start with the boring stuff. Toilet paper has to be. And then I got myself a cold coffee, like ice, but without ice in it. It's just coffee with Arabica coffee and then milk, but it's very cheap, and I mentioned it in another video, we don't have a freezer, so it's good when I can buy it because otherwise it takes 2 days to make it. I bought these sweets. It's like sour and it's gluten-free and just looked really good and I wanted to try it. Then I bought some things for my sister because she's going on a trip soon in June and her birthday is in May. So I'm going to be there for her birthday at home where my parents live, which is really cool. And I'm just going to make her a box, or I already started, a box like a traveler starter pack. It has a sleeping mask for the airplane, and then I bought these tissues, but wet tissues, so you can, you know, clean your hands after airplane food and that kind of stuff. And then I bought her a like SPF stick and cream in one thing because she's going to Southeast Asia. And yeah, that's all. Today is Friday and usually my cleaning day is Monday. Right now I'm the one that cleans more because Julio is like in his full-time internship and he comes home so late because he has to travel 3 hours each day to go there and to come back. So, you know, I'm taking some weight off of him, and this is the current situation. It's really messy, so I'm just going to spend a good hour cleaning. I will start with the kitchen just because that's the most important. Okay, that's why I bought these. I wanted to have something to eat while cleaning. Try one. Sour. It's really good. Done and the bed is freshly made, so I mean fresh sheets and everything. I'm not going to put the couch together just because it's already late afternoon, so it's just not worth it. But I'm going to try the coffee. I put it in the fridge. For some reason it's not really that cold, but we will see. Maybe it's just the paper. And it has a little drinking slip here. Good. It's good. I'm currently giving these 3 plants a sun therapy because they all desperately need it. Look at this one, it's so sad. This one looks good, but it's still not blooming. And then this one is in really bad. This is the box where all of my sister's traveling stuff will be in. This is a card with 2 girls on it. I just wrote something on the back of it. Then I have a sleeping mask that I made for her. This is silk, so it's really gentle. Hey guys, so it's been a while. It is 9:20 p.m. and we just had our hot chocolate and watched Monk, the show that we're watching right now, an older show. Maybe you've heard of it. It's just like feel good. Julio is getting some snacks right now because I really want something to snack, and I don't want to snack all of our peanuts and cashews that we have because those are pricey. So he's just getting some chips probably, and then we're going to finish our show and then go to bed because we are in a rhythm now where we go to bed around 10:30 p.m., which is a good rhythm. And then tomorrow I have to work as well. I give a sewing class, and yeah, but we'll have a fun morning, just having a coffee, maybe go for a walk, and then I will head to my job. I will also continue sewing there when the class is over because, as I said, I don't have my sewing machine. I'm at my job, just taking a quick lunch break. Lentil salad. I'm done with work, and so I'm going to meet Julio at our favorite ice cream shop.